In this video we will learn about cut tool. So first I switch to top viewport and then make some shapes, circle, activate move tool. Now I want to create a duplicate copy of this object. So I press shift key, then move in a direction by using these handles. So by pressing shift you can create a duplicate copy of any object. Select both tool and then go to curve. So first tool is Intersect. So Intersect tool highlight the intersect point. Now we want to cut these points and make separate all these curves. So go to curve again and choose cut tool. So now these all shapes are divided into separate curve. These are some lines that remain from Intersect tool. Select and delete. Now I make 3 duplicate copy of this shape. Now I want to make some different shapes by using these shapes, by using other tools. So first combination is this. I delete these inside curves, and in the second shape I delete these two curves, and in third shape I delete these two. You can also make some different type of combination by using different type of shapes. I select both shapes. I open outliner window. Make sure only 2 object is selected because the shape has only 2 parts, and then go to curve and choose attach tool. So these 2 shapes now attach into a single shape. You can repeat this process again. Okay, so all these shapes now attached. If you select this shape and try to move, sometimes it behave like this. I just undo again. So all these shapes are creating by using different tools. So Maya remember all these history. So first you have to delete history. So go to edit, delete all type history, repeat again. Okay, now you can select and move. There is no problem. If you face any problem after attaching any shapes, so you can delete all type history, so problem will solve. And the second tool is offset. I want to create an offset shape inside this curve or outside this curve. So go to curve, offset. There are 2 type of offset, so choose setting box. You can fill offset distance. First reset this setting, then click OK. I think shape size is too small, so I reduce this size around 0.3, 0.4. Hit apply. Shape is created inside this shape. If I fill a negative value, shape will create outside of this shape. So by using offset tool you can create a offset curve inside or outside shape. I try with this shape. Go to curve and choose offset. If the shape size is too small, so you have to reduce this value. This time I fill a negative value, so offset curve create outside of this shape. Then apply. So newly created shape is outside of this shape like this. So you can use this tool creating a duplicate shape around the object. So in this video we will cover intersect tool, cut tool, attach tool and offset tool. And the other tool that we use is delete history.